Morning. It's Friday morning, pretty weather today. I got a few things going on today. I think I'm gonna try to get the starter put on the Camaro we got for the burnout car and see if maybe I can get it started. And when we bought the car and tried to put it on the trailer, our winch messed up. So I've kind of got to try to fix the winch, and I got a battery for it, so I need to pull it down here and get a battery put in it, see if I can get the winch fixed and see if I can get the starter put on this thing and the new battery put in it, and cross your fingers and hope that's what it is. I sure would like to hear this thing fire up. It'd make me feel a lot better. But I'm gonna set you over here on the tripod, and as I crawl under, I don't know if you'll be able to see much, but I'll set you over here and I'll crawl under there and put the starter on, and then we'll put the battery on, my battery in, and see if it'll start. So y'all come along for the ride. These starters here were $250. All the parts store around here, so my son ordered it off. I think it was Rock Auto. Got it here in a couple days, and what but $80 shipping and everything. So if you're not in a hurry for something, I would suggest you check in Rock Auto and save yourself a little money. And heck, it's a pretty starter. Don't even. Let's see what it looks like when I put it on. All right, starter's on. I sure hope this works. EverStart Walmart special. All right, we're gonna see what happens. I'm sure that just what we got this car for, I'm sure it wasn't just a starter and a battery, but we'll see. Which I'm not under the car no more, so we'll see. And that didn't do it. There's still something else.
All right, everyone, younger Randy's here to the rescue. I'm finally awake. I think last thing he told you was the starter didn't work with the key, so he looked up.
Starter did not work.
Yep. So he did this little switch doohickey.
I went from the starter
to the switch,
from the switch to the battery.
Show him it works. Keys on. And I got like approximately half an ounce of Bill Cosby in a can. I don't think we're getting spark.
I don't either.
Sparkles.
But at least I know it turns over.
It could be causing. Are you freaking kidding me?
That ain't a deodorant can, is it?
Yes.
God, dog.
I thought my XB was kind of cobbled together. Okay, try again.
You ain't no.
Go ahead.
Nope, it ain't hitting on nothing. You bitch.
It ain't sparking. All right, let's see.
Where's that thing I had gas in the other day?
I don't know. What does this go to?
That ain't it, but
That's totally gonna be a vacuum leak.
do we have gas up here?
You got that can right there behind the charger?
Yes, that means yes, but that behind the charger's diesel. That's what the D stands for.
I can't freaking see it. How am I supposed to know?
Yeah, I ain't 27 years. You know what the hell's going on.
Don't you know I ain't allowed here no more?
You're here, ain't you?
Yeah.
Alright, shut up. Kids, do not do this at home.
Well, you know that most of the people that watch our stuff are like your age. They know better.
And they know why I'm doing what I'm doing.
Well, here's the coal.
Huh?
It's also why you don't spray paint stuff while it's on your engine.
Yeah, open that up.
Open
The
what?
throttle.
Hey, give me a bottle.
Right there.
All right, first start. Here we go.
Gotta open her up. Oh yeah, I did that.
All right, yeah, works. Okay. All right.
Yeah, don't do that. Damn, I burnt some more of my arm hair off.
All right.
Yeah, don't do that. Damn, I burnt some more of my arm hair off. I wonder if we got gas in the because it's pumping.
I mean, you hear fuel pump cutting on. I'll put a little bit of gas in it.
I ain't got no gas in it.
I know what's wrong with it. Hey, we got sparkles. Nice guess. Huh? Here we go. Throttle.
Way too much. She shoots fire out.
Wrong end.
I don't like it skipping around though. I see now we're going away with the toggle switch, putting the push button.
Yeah. Maybe I can calibrate it.
Yeah,
I don't think that's gonna help.
I don't either.
What they say? 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What I need to be on this side and do what you did so it'll blow up in my face.
Well, hey, at least
Throttle.
you got a long sleeve on. I lost a little bit of arm here.
Throttle. Fixing to fill up my bottle again. Took me the other day.
Yeah, I got on to you, dang. About to roll this window down. Or just take it out. You done put some in it.
I ain't got enough in it.
How much do you need? Just enough to flood a copper or a fuel injected motor.
Yeah. All right. You get gas pumping to it, she's gonna run.
You read it's pretty good.
Hit the gas again. I can't stand this.
Hang on, I gotta make sure. The people like shorts. All right, everybody. Here we go. All right, here we are, right here in the new Camaro. Video coming soon, but Dad has hot wired the starter, and we can actually get it to run for a second. Here we go. Hit it. Fire. Hey, don't pour it out. Blooper reel of the day. Did you just catch my car on fire?
That's just got a gas bottle on fire.
I guess.
I guess I deserve that. You do.
All right, take two. Hit it. Yes, hell, shut the hood. Thing's got so much torque it twisted the hood right off the line.
I think I got too much gas in it.
What? No way. No way.
I know one thing, she likes to blow black. Blow back.
Oh, yeah.
She's definitely blowing fire back through here. Okay. I see a hospital trip coming. Throttle.
Someone told me to do it.
You know, the first 15 times was funny.
Well, that 16th time was funny. Hey, dummy. Why don't you put the gas bottle where you can reach it again?
Because it caught on fire last time.
Dumbass.
I'm sorry, I'm scared. You gonna see.
Oh, I know.
See? Start it. Just see.
Hey, here's an idea. Don't let me do it.
Give me that. Give me that quick. It don't work if it's closed. Get that thing away from me. Huh?
Why is the...
When you do that, all that catches on fire.
Okay.